Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with Jack and, of course, my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. We've just arrived at Nashville International Airport. Behind me there, of course, is the terminal. A lot of construction taking place and a lot of confused people as well through the construction. Look down below there. That's the walking area out of the baggage claim. Over there is a parking garage. Here is another parking garage. They look exactly the same. They both have what is called levels P. P6, P5, P4, P3, P2, and P1. And over there, it's the exact same thing. Well, here's the deal. If you've been gone for several days and you look at your little parking sticker and it says P3, you're thinking, okay, they both have P3, which one do I go to? You have absolutely no idea. I went over there first and I searched throughout the P3 parking area and never found my car. I ran into 5 or 6 other people doing the same darn thing. They couldn't remember which one of the garages they pulled into because, of course, through the construction and such, you get a little disoriented. Then you're gone for a few days, you forget where the heck you parked. So now I'm over in the other P garage, P standing for parking. I'm at level P3, and I finally found my car, and here was the difference. I'm parked on row Q. That's in this parking structure. That parking structure over there, I didn't find a row Q. I just kept walking and walking and never saw it. So therein lies a little bit of the dilemma in trying to find your car. So I took a picture of where I parked, and you always do that. And again, while I had the picture, it didn't help me much. Again, it just said P3, row Q, but both buildings have a P3. So suggestion to the city of Nashville and the Nashville International Airport board, or whoever governs this, how about we rethink how we name the parking garages, okay? And how about maybe this one is called Parking Garage A, and the levels are A1, A2, A3, and A4, and you put a big giant A out front. The other parking garage is Parking Garage B with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you put a big giant B on it. Therefore, there is no confusion. Again, that's just my idea. Consider what it cost you for that advice, but I think it would make sense. And again, I'm not alone. I ran into several other folks saying, P3, it's in both buildings. I know, you're probably watching this going, well, come on, dummy, you can't figure it out. Well, I did eventually, but I had to walk around a while, and I need the exercise, of course. Up ahead there, P3, row Q. Again, we got a row Q in this building, not in the other building. There you have it. Until we see you next time, as we always say, be sure and subscribe to our channel, Traveling with Jack and Pam. Check out my podcast, The Jack Church Show. And until we do see you next time, have a great day and a better tomorrow. And good luck finding your car in one of the 2 P's garages at Nashville International Airport. Bye now.